Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down how to 3D print with the Dremel 3D20, one of the most beginner-friendly printers out there. If you've got one sitting on your desk or you're just curious how to get started, you're in the right place. First things first, unbox your Dremel 3D20 and set it up on a stable, flat surface. Plug it in, power it on, give it a minute to boot up. You'll see the touchscreen wake up and greet you. Fancy, right? Before you print anything, you need filament. The Dremel 3D20 uses PLA, easy for beginners. Open the filament compartment on the side, pop in your spool. Feed the filament into the guide tube until it reaches the extruder. On the touchscreen, select Load Filament. Let the printer do its thing. You'll see a bit of melted plastic ooze out. That means you're good to go. Next, grab a digital file to print. The 3D20 reads die code, but you'll usually start with an STL file. Find free models online or design your own. Drop the STL into Dremel Digilab 3D Slicer. Resize, rotate, position your model. Export to USB as G3 Drem. Plug the USB stick into the printer. Tap Build on the touchscreen. Find your file. Select it. Before you hit print, make sure your build plate is level. The 3D20 has a semi-automatic leveling system. It'll walk you through the process. Adjust the knobs under the bed until the nozzle just touches the plate. Take your time. Good leveling means fewer failed prints. Hit Start. Watch the first layer get laid down. Keep an eye on the first minute or two. If filament isn't sticking, pause and re-level. Once smooth, you can step away, but stay nearby. When it's done, let the print cool for a few minutes. Gently pop it off the build plate. Flex the plate if needed. And just like that, you've made your first 3D print with the Dremel 3D20. Remember, every print is a chance to learn. Try different models. Tweak your settings. Don't get discouraged if things go wrong. They're part of the process. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!